Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a post on the cPro application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, tap on the pause button down below in the middle of the screen, then select a category at the top such as for sale, dating, housing, jobs and so on. Here you can type in the title of your post, then you should add the description, type it in. Here you can upload pictures either from your gallery or you can also take a picture, but first you need to allow the cPro application to have access to your camera, and after that you will be able to take pictures. And if you are done, click on the done button and tap on the pause button down below. After that your post will be published. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.